right, we are at the 2023 Cardboard Boat Race. As you can see, we have over 60 boats registered to be in this race today. It is going to be a lot of fun, as it always is. They're going to be making their way out the boat ramps, around the buoys, and to the third boat ramp to see who can compete for most creative design, fastest vessel, most spectacular sinking, best team spirit, and people's choice.
It took us about 3 days to build. Everybody participated pretty well. Yeah.
Since my name is Leo, it means lion. So since their boat's name was Seahorse last year, I wanted to just change it up and make it Sea Lion.
We picked sardines. We're the sardines, and this is the can. And we just thought it was a cool idea because it's like original, and like we wouldn't think anyone else would have the idea.
Today, I think we have 80 boat entries. We could be up to more. These kids and families have put their heart and talent and creativity into these boats, and we have a lot of categories, including team with the best spirit. So it doesn't matter if you sink or swim or float, it's still a great time for everybody. So may the best boats win.